We noticed that the expansion tank is not working, so it seems like there's a clog in the line somewhere. We checked, the cap is working, the radiator cap is brand new, the hose is clear, so the clog has to be somewhere in the expansion tank. So what we're going to do is take it off and we're going to look at it and see. It was cleaned out recently, so somewhere in the line going into the bottom of the expansion tank there has to be a clog somewhere. I'm going to test that the hole going into the radiator and that the hole going into the expansion tank are unclogged. Scientific methods. Okay, so we saw there's a little spurt there.
Let's take it off my thread.
Okay, so there was definitely some clogs in the line as well.
Yeah, let me see.
Oh. Okay, so what happened here is that the hose was clogged, the port coming off of the radiator was clogged, and also the expansion tank was clogged. So that's something you want to be careful of because it could be causing other issues such as the hose collapsing, and it will cause unnecessary pressure in the radiator and the water pump, which is we did have to replace the radiator cap, which was probably caused by this issue and it being clogged. And the water pump actually went bad, which is a previous video. So you want to be careful because a small issue like this could cause a bunch of bigger issues. The reason it was clogged is because the truck was sitting for a couple of years and there was a bunch of rust in the radiator. So that rust probably got clogged up in the tube and clogged up the expansion tank as well.